now I will present about introduction of our project, which is the issue of traffic accidents should be not overlooked or undervalued in our daily life. So as a result, Malaysian top authorities such as PDRM and MIROS conduct a study and research on the statistic of road accident. So Malaysia death climb rate between 2016 and 2018. The total mortality rate reduced by 12.1%. So in our project, most of schools are located facing the main road, where the congestion occurs because of the road that connects to many roads. So we have made an agreement to choose Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Jitra Kedah to carry out a study on the main road facing the school. So our group will conduct road safety inspection around 1,200 meters of the segment, which is 600 meters left and right of the main road in front of the school. For the background of study, the scope of the study was carried out around the main road of SMK Jitra Kedah. So the research focused on the safety side road crossing or the object that cause traffic, which is 1,200 meters with segment which is 900 meters right and left in front of the school. So as well as data processing utilizing the Google Maps application and instant street view. So the next one is problem statement, which is the school of our choice is positioned on the side of a major road, which is there are commercial houses consisting of banks, health facilities, pharmacies, restaurants, the Mara office and neighboring residential neighborhoods on the road, which link the paths to the workplace. So is make the road too busy. So when traffic congestion persists, it is all too easy for accident to occur between pedestrians and vehicles such as motorcycle and pedestrians, which can result in the death of students. So the road safety auditing is a specialist task that requires to extensive knowledge and experience in traffic engineering, traffic management and road safety principles and procedures. So the definition of road safety inspection is an on-site evaluation of an existing road to stretch off-road to detect dangerous situation, flaws or defects that might result in major accidents. So the goal of RSI is to identify any characteristic that may contribute to future accident, so that preventative measures may be taken before they occur. So the objective of our project, which is road safety inspection, is to limit the danger of crash on the school ground by minimizing collision rates and severity rates. Next one is to raise awareness of the need of school safety. So the last one is to see whether there are any safety sites on the road leading up to the school. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahzan Aiman bin Rasli. I will present about method that we have conduct to finish our project. We are use many resources and tools such as instant street view, Google Maps, Metra checklist, and AutoCAD. All these data applications are designed to aid in the gathering of data from photograph, measurement, and location. Firstly, we use instant street view. It used to discover a location rapidly and also to display street view panoramas. Users can also share photos they come across on their social media. will get the benefit from using this program because this program have ability to search by keyword. Next, we also use Google Maps. Google Maps have two-dimensional maps that run within a web browser. Google Maps was created with the intention of providing virtual driving directions and distance calculation. We use Google Maps to get the simulation of the school area. Then we use AutoCAD, that is a computer-aided design and drafting software in computer. In this study, stripping produced with AutoCAD is intended to display the traffic management system for the given area. With the use of AutoCAD, the resulting drawings become neater with more structured visuals. Lastly, the Metra checklist is used to ensure road safety surrounding the school by following to the rules in the place for the aim of ensuring the safety of users in the area. That's all from me. Thank you.
Let's continue with RSI checklist for common item along the school zone. The school selected is Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Jitra, that behind the Jalan Jitra. So let's check the facilities in front of the school. Firstly, we check pedestrian crossing facilities, proper sidewalk, bus lay-by at bus stop, and calming device, waiting area for parents, road marking, and a large tree, and then nearby house and premise. Okay, we can find pedestrian crossing facilities 300 meter from left side of the school. Okay, in front of the school we found bus lay-by at bus stop. So bus stop will be stopped at there. We also can find calming device from both sides of the road that will be made the car slow down in front of the school. Okay, we also can find waiting area for parents. So parents will stop there to pick up the student. But I see it will be make a trouble for the traffic because the area is not suitable for waiting area for parents. Okay, we also can find road marking. I will be see slow down signboard, speed limit signboard, and school in front signboard. But I think it is not in a good condition and it must be put in a clear condition. It because the signboard were hidden by some objects. It also had a large tree alongside the 300 meter from left and right of the school. The main road also has access to the nearby house and premise. It will be made a traffic more jamming.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Muhammad Nur Afan bin Azman and I will be presenting about discussion. The data was collected and analysed with the purpose to inspect the road safety requirements near the chosen school, which is Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Jitra located in Jitra, Kedah. This research, which was located at the main road near the chosen school, were guided by the report road safety audit done by Jabatan Kerja Raya or JKR. In this research, we used a checklist of road signs following the Metra guidelines to confirm the total of road signs, the distance between each road signs, and the distance of road signs to the main road. This research was also needed to check common needs, in example bus stops, flyovers, waiting areas, and similar things like those. We used a website named Instant Google Street View to acquire the following data. As the result of the discussion, according to the data collected by using the road safety audit method, the facilities provided, including common needs, are enough to keep people, particularly students, from accidents on the road. However, it might be problematic during peak hours since the front school gate should be crowded and students would walk around the main road more often. There were also road signs that were partly hidden from a driver's view. The hidden road signs should be replugged to where it should be clearly visible to the drivers. We will also recommend constructing a new flyover or bridge, especially with the main road of this size, to prevent any kind of accident. Moving on to the next problem, while the road itself is quite big, there is no stopping point for parents to drop or pick up their kids. This will lead to traffic delay and congestion on the road.